Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I make this awesome super fluffy cloud slime. I know there's lots of videos on YouTube that teach you how to make cloud slime, but I make my cloud slime a certain way because I don't want the snow to be falling out, and I also don't want my cloud slime to be too wet. So there's a special way that I add my snow in so I get the perfect texture. And if you want to find out how I make my cloud slime, then just keep watching. First you're going to add your glue. I add about 1.5 cups, and then I add in my activator, and I add it in small amounts. To do with my cloud creams is I like to add a pump or two of lotion. So this time I'm going to add 2 pumps of lotion to this. I don't do this all the time, I just do it sometimes because I like my cloud creams to have like a softer, stretchy feeling. And after that I usually add the instant snow, and some people like to add their instant snow dry and some people like to add it activated with the water, and I like to do half and half. So I like to add half a tablespoon dry and half a tablespoon wet, and I'll show you that right now. Okay, here's a tablespoon of my snow, so I'm gonna sprinkle half of this on there dry. I'm gonna put the other half on here. This half I'm going to add some water to activate the snow. Activating the snow is the funnest part because it grows so big. It's really cool. Some people don't like activating their snow because they say it makes their slime wetter, and they say it makes their slime have a lot of fallout and residue. That's why I like doing half of mine. To make sure the instant snow is fully incorporated in the slime, you really have to keep stretching and kneading it. That's why cloud slime takes a while to make. And a lot of people like to leave their slime overnight to have it get fluffier over time, kinda, because right now it looks okay, but tomorrow it'll look even better. And that's what I'm going to do with mine. I'm going to show you mine tomorrow. Okay, so this is my cloud slime 24 hours later. I let it sit, and if you can tell, it's just so fluffy. There's no particles really falling out. And that's why I like adding my instant snow half wet, half dry. And one thing I didn't show you guys is I wanted my cloud slime to be a little bit more fluffier, so I added half a teaspoon of dry instant snow powder. So if you guys want to create this, just remember to add half a teaspoon of dry snow powder to the recipe. Thank you guys for watching, and if you guys want to see more slime videos like this, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.